Upbeat music fades in. Narrator, enthusiastic. Hey there, want to live a longer, healthier life? Your heart holds the key. In this video, I'll reveal how the Healthy Heart Long Life ebook can transform your cardiovascular health. Stick around, your future self will thank you. Narrator. Heart disease is the world's #1 killer, but small changes can save your life. Whether you're 25 or 65, this ebook breaks down 7 science-backed strategies to boost heart health, from diet hacks to stress-busting routines. Let's dive in. Narrator. The ebook's Life Simple 7 framework, inspired by the American Heart Association, teaches you to manage blood pressure, cholesterol, and more. Imagine adding decades to your life. Narrator. Swap processed foods for omega-3 rich fish. Walk 30 minutes daily. Quit smoking. The ebook even includes a 30-day meal plan and workout tracker. Narrator. Meet John, 52, who reversed his pre-diabetes using the ebook's blood sugar guide. His secret? Long-tail keyword: how to improve cardiovascular health naturally. Narrator. Loving these tips? Grab your copy now, link in the description below, and use code HEART2025 for 20% off. Don't forget to subscribe. We drop life-saving content weekly. Narrator. Your heart beats 100,000 times a day. Isn't it time to give it the care it deserves? Download the ebook today, share this video with someone you love, and let's build a heart-healthy world together.